Weights.
Okay, we're going to start our first exercises. We're going to start with overhead presses and go then into front raises. These work for your shoulders, for your deltoids. Stand with your knees soft. The weights start at the shoulder and press up overhead. It's important to exhale on the effort. The overhead press.
6. Breathe out as you lift. 7. You can stand whichever way is more comfortable. 9. Bring the weights together at the top. And 5 more. 4. 3. 2. And 1.
And the raise.
One arm at a time. Lift and lower. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. One more. And 10. Second set of the overhead press. And press 1. 2. 3. Keep your knees slightly bent. And 5. Up 6. 7. 8. Push 9. 10. 5 more. Up 1. 2. 3. And 4. One more. 5.
And again the raise.
Up and down. 2. 3. Keep your arm level with the shoulder at the top. 6. 7. 8. 2 more. 9. 10.
Last set.
Remember, these are for our deltoid muscles. Press 1. 2. 3. 4. This is the last set. Come on. Up and down. 6. 7. Press 8. Breathe out as you lift. 9. 10. Up 1. Almost there. 2. Up 3. And 4. One more. And 5.
Okay, one more set of raises.
Lift 1. Up 2.
Don't forget to
3.
breathe on the effort.
4. Up 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. And 10.
And now we transition to some push-ups.
This is the first set of 4 that we'll be doing throughout the workout. Come down onto your knees. Keep your back straight. And exhale as you lift.
Your hands are just a little more than shoulder width
down.
apart.
1,
Bring your chest down to the floor,
2,
not your abdominals.
3,
We want to keep those abdominals pulled in. And then lower the
5,
chest. Don't drop your head. Keep your neck in alignment with your back.
7, and 8. To increase the intensity,
9,
add some weights. And 10.
Come out of the push-ups into a baby stretch. These 2 exercises are for your shoulders and your upper back. The first exercise is a lateral raise. Have the elbow a little bit higher than your wrist and exhale as you lift. This exercise is the upright row. It's for your upper back. Bring your weights just below your chin. Have your elbows frame your face. And again, exhale as you come up. Now lateral raises. Keep your legs together.
1, and
Take the weights from the sides and lift them directly out to the side, bringing them up to shoulder level.
5. Breathe out as you lift. 6, 7, 8, 9,
And upright rows.
The legs are out a little farther than hip distance.
1,
The knees are soft.
2,
Don't let your elbows go higher than the
3,
weights. The key is to keep your elbows up.
5,
Keep the knees soft as you pull the weights up. Bring them up so they're almost underneath your chin.
8, 9. Breathe out as you lift. 5 more. Up 1.
As you get tired, watch your form.
Up 2. Up 3. And 4. Up 5.
Lateral raises, second set. Elbows should be higher than your wrists.
1.
As you get tired, be sure to pay
2.
attention to your form. Don't bring your hands up higher than your elbows.
Up 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 2 more. 9. 10.
And upright rows. Upright rows are great for your upper back.
1, 2, 3, 4. Remember to exhale as you lift. Keep your knees slightly bent. 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 more. Keep pulling up. 1, up 2, 3, 4. 1 more. 5. And bring the feet back together, lifting to the side.
Lateral raises, last
1,
set.
2, 3. Keep the arms level with your shoulder. 5, 6. Up 7. Breathe as you lift. 8. 2 more. 9. And 10.
Upright rows. We're almost there.
1, 2. Bring the weights right underneath the chin. 4. Keep a nice flat back. Chest is up. 7, 8. Pull 9. 10. 5 more. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And 5. And shake your shoulders out.
And again, push-ups.
Remember to keep your back flat. And to increase the intensity on the push-ups, you can extend your legs all the way out, crossing one ankle. On the left. Hands are a little wider than the shoulder. Coming down, and 1.
Keep your neck in alignment with your spine.
2,
Shoulders should be directly over your
3.
hands. Abdominals pulled in.
4,
Focusing down.
5, 6,
Try and keep a slight bend in your elbows as you come up.
8. 2 more. Push. 9 and 10. Press back and stretch it out. Breathe in and exhale.
Okay, now we're moving on to bicep curls and tricep extensions. So take your weights. First, bicep
And
curls.
bring the weights
And
up and down. 3,
don't forget to breathe
4,
and breathe
5,
out as you come up.
6, 7.
For the standing bicep curls, take a basic stance. Feet
10.
apart,
5 more.
knees soft.
Up. 1,
Bringing the elbow, curling the
2.
weight up toward the shoulder.
3,
Control the movement.
4. 1 more.
Exhale as you curl
5.
in. Now for tricep extensions. Keep your elbow up, level with your shoulder. Extend back.
Actually, bring your legs in just a little bit and then soften those knees. Okay, go ahead.
1, 2,
It looks good. We see your definition.
4,
Main thing is remember that elbow stays
6,
parallel with the shoulder. Then you can really isolate
8,
the tricep. Feel that?
9, and 10. On the other side, bring the elbow up and extend. 1. Use a chair that allows you to keep your back as flat as possible. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Bicep curls, second set.
And bring it up. 2, 3, 4. Remember to concentrate on the bicep muscle. It's in the front of the arm. Squeeze it as you lift. Up 9, 10, 5 more. Up 1, up 2, 3, 4, 1 more, and 5.
And again, tricep extensions.
1, 2, 3, 4. Keep the elbow up. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Switching arms. Elbow comes up level with the shoulder and press back. Keep that back flat. Keep your knees soft and support with that opposite arm. Press out 7 and 8. Press 9, 1 more, and 10.
1 set to go. Bicep curls.
Knees slightly bent and squeeze. Up 2, 3, 4. Remember to breathe out as you bring the weight up. 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 more. Squeeze. 1, 2, up 3, and 4. 1 more. Up 5.
And tricep extensions.
Supporting the body. Lift the elbow and extend back. 1, 2, 3. Straighten that arm out, isolating the tricep muscle. 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 more. 10. Other side. Lift and extend the arm. 1, 2. Press 3, 4. Keep the elbow up. 5, 6, 7. Breathe out as you extend. 8. Last 2. 9. 1 more. 10. And shake it out. This is our third set of push-ups. Remember to keep your hands just a little bit wider than your shoulders. Breathe out as you lift. Here we go. And up 1. Press 2. Up 3. Up 4. Bring that chest down towards the floor. Don't break at the waist. 7, 8, up 9, 1 more, and 10. Press back and stretch it out.
This is another exercise for the back of your arms, the triceps. It's called a dip. You use a chair and slide yourself off, holding with your hands. Try and bring your elbow so it's level with your shoulder. As you come up, exhale.
3, 2, 1.
Dips, first set.
And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 more. Up 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
And lateral raises.
Pick up your weights. Bring yourself to the edge of your chair. Rest your chest on your thigh. And extend your arms out to the side. 2, 3,
Okay, you feel these in the back of your shoulders?
5.
Okay, great. Just we want to make sure, remember,
6,
squeezing the shoulder blades
7,
together because we're working the deltoids, the rear deltoids. And then just focus out in front of your shoe
10, 5
and tilt
more.
your head down just a little bit so we
1,
keep that neck in neutral. And breathe out as you come up. You feel it?
4, and 5. Release the weights, come back up, bring your hands to the edge of your chair for another set of dips. Working the tricep muscles. And 1, up 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
And lateral raises.
This is for the back of your shoulder. Breathe out as you lift. And 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Remember to keep focus down towards the floor. Don't lift your head up. And extend your arms, keeping the elbows slightly bent. 2. Exhale as you lift. 4, 5. Coming up for the last set of dips. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 more. Up 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Finishing with lateral raises.
Pick up your weights, bring yourself to the edge of your chair, rest your chest on your thigh, and extend your arms out to the side. 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe out as you lift. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Great, put the chair to one side. Forward comes next. Grab your mat or towel.
This is the last set of push-ups. 1, and lift. Exhale as you come up. 3, press 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 more. 9, and 10. Press back and stretch it out. Breathe in and exhale.
These are chest presses and flies. They're really great for arms and chest. You can be on the floor on your back, or on a bench, or something elevated. Chest presses,
1,
10 reps.
2,
If you want to work
3,
lower, start at the level of your rib cage
4,
or just below it. If you keep the
5,
weights higher, you work the upper chest.
7, 8, 9, and 10.
Now turn the weights in for flies. Again, 10 reps. When you keep the
1,
elbows bent, you'll be working the deltoids
2,
and shoulders. You can bend the
3,
elbows slightly if you're just starting out.
4. Squeeze 5. As you lift, breathe out. Squeezing the chest together.
This gives you a big stretch through the chest.
9 and 10.
Again, chest presses.
And press up. 2, 3, press 4, press 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, one more, and 10. Turn your weights
And flies.
out and up. Exhale as you lift, working the muscles in the chest and the arms. And 6, squeeze together, up 7, and 8, and 9, and 10.
Third set, chest presses.
Up 1, up 2, push 3, up 4, squeeze up 5, and 6, push 7, push 8, and 9. Last one, hold it, turn the hands,
And once more flies.
bring it out and up. Squeeze 2, 3, and 4, 5. Keep the elbows slightly bent. Squeeze together as you lift. 8 and 9. One more, and 10. Bringing it down. 6.
This position really helps you to isolate your triceps.
The last exercise of the workout are tricep extensions on your back using one weight.
Take your free hand and
Up,
put it on the tricep so your arm comes across your
2,
body. This supports your elbow
3,
and keeps your arm from moving and
4.
lets you feel a tricep working.
Keeping the elbow directly over your shoulder. Exhale as you lift. 8, 9, 10, 5 more. Up 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
And then the other.
And lift. 2, 3, 4. Use your other arm to feel the tricep muscle working. Extend and lower. 8. Up 9. 10. 5 more. Up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And the first again.
And extend. Up 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out as you lift, squeezing the tricep. Up 7, up 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
And then the other.
Bring the weight up and lower the arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Press 8. Press 9. 10. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more. And 5.
Last set. 50 more to go.
Up. 1, 2. Focus on the muscle. Feel it in your hand. Extend and lower. 5. Up 6. Up 7. Up 8. Up 9. 10. Last 5. Squeeze. 1 and 2. Up 3 and 4. Last one. Press 5 and switch. Up 1, up 2, 3. Keep the elbow over your shoulder. squeeze up. 6, 7, and 8. Up, 9, almost there. 10, last 5. 1, press it up. 2, and 3. Up, 4, one more, and 5. Bring it down.
Okay, let's stretch now.
Let's get ready to cool down by bringing your knees into your chest and release the legs out, arms over your head, and stretch, lengthening the body, breathing in and exhale as you bring your knees back into your chest. Hold the stretch.
Stand up to stretch the triceps.
Lift one arm up, pressing it down with your opposite hand, releasing the tricep muscles that we've worked. And on the other side, and press down. Feel the stretch in the tricep. Release it, bring one leg forward,
And now a stretch for our back and chest.
and press your arms back, lifting them up over your head, feeling the stretch through the shoulders and down the sides. Come all the way up onto your feet.
And then stand up to stretch our arms.
And lifting one straight up and one pressing down to the side. And switch. Bring your arms behind you and lift, opening the chest, stretching the muscles that we worked. Bring your arms around you.
And now, hug your body. Be sure to bring your shoulders down.
And feeling the release in the arms.
And finally, some nice deep breaths.